Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become Certified SolidWorks Professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass SolidWorks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this exercise, we have to create the following assembly, and we're going to use coincident, concentric, profile center, and angle mates. So in the first step, we must make origin visible, and then we have to insert part 1 and we have to fix it to the origin. So let's go to the SolidWorks. Now here we have an open assembly file. So let's make origin visible, like this. Now let's go here, insert components. Let's go with the part 1. Now let's go mouse over the origin, and part will automatically switch to the origin. Now you just once left click, like this. Now we can hide the origin, and let's see the next step. In the step 3, we have to insert part 2 and create a concentric relation between the cylinder of the part 2 and the hole on the part 1, this one here. And then in the step 4, we have to create coincident relation between the face of the part 1, this one here, and part 2, this one here. So let's go to the SolidWorks. Let's go to insert part 2, like this. Now let's go to mate, and let's define concentric relation between this face here and this face here, like this. Let's click OK. Now our part jumps over here. We can drag him back like this. And now let's define coincident relation between this face here of the part 1 and this face here, like this. Let's click OK. And now we can rotate this part. So in the step 5, we have to insert part 3, and we have to position right into the center of the part 2 with profile center mate. So we have to select those two faces, as we can see here. So let's go to SolidWorks. Let's insert part 3, like this. We can now use profile center, but also we can use here concentric relation and coincident. But with profile center, it's much easier and faster. So let's go to mate. Let's go here to advanced mates. Let's choose here profile center. So let's choose this face here of the part 2 and this face here. And now with only one mate, we define the relation between part 2 and part 3. We could also get this relation with concentric and coincident mates. But now instead of 2 mates, we have 1 mate. And now in the last step, we have to define angle range from -10 degrees to 85 degrees. Between the part 1, this face, and the part 3, this bottom face here. So let's go here. Let's go to the mate. We won't use here standard mates because here we can define the range. So we have to go to advanced mates again. And here we have an angle. So let's turn this on. And here we can choose minimum and maximum value. So for the minimum, we're going to go with -10. And for the maximum, we're going to go with 85. And here, we're going to choose faces. So we're going to choose this face here and this face here, like this. Now let's click OK. Now let's try to rotate this part. So here is -10 degrees. If we go to the other side, here is 85 degrees. So we want to make sure that this part 3 doesn't hit the part 1 on this side, and as well on this side here. That's why here we have angle range. And this is the end of this exercise. If you're tired of watching on YouTube videos and buying cheap courses who always leave you wishing and wanting for more, and you want to have personal support to learn the SolidWorks from the absolute zero to the professional level to improve and start your career, check the link below and visit our Super SolidWorks Accelerator Academy. As well, if you like this video, click like and subscribe.